Bengali Nasta recipes are a bit of a hidden gem, and they really shouldn't be. Most people flock to Indian snacks they know, like samosas or pakoras, but Bengali breakfasts and tea-time snacks? Entirely underrated. Let's fix that. Let's start with something light. Shingara. Now, this isn't your run-of-the-mill samosa. A shingara is smaller, crispier, and often loaded with a delicate mix of spiced potatoes, cauliflower, and peanuts. Think of it as a snack you can't stop eating. But if you're not in the mood for something fried, try Chirer Pulao. Flattened rice is sautéed with veggies, peanuts, and a hint of sugar for a sweet, savory profile. It's ready in 15 minutes and feels surprisingly guilt-free. Here's a pain point. Most Bengali recipes feel inaccessible because of a long list of spices. Pro tip, keep a basic spice kit with turmeric, cumin, fennel, and garam masala. These will get you through almost any recipe. For something heartier, consider Luchi with Aloo'r Dom. It's essentially a puffed, delicate bread served with a spicy potato curry. The combination of textures, unreal. It's indulgent yet comforting, perfect for lazy weekend mornings. If you're craving something protein-packed, chop is your answer. Minced meat or fish is mixed with potatoes and spices, shaped into patties and deep-fried. Think croquettes, but leveled up with a Bengali twist. The unsung hero of Bengali Nasta is the humble Ghugni. Made with yellow peas and spices, it's the perfect balance of tangy, spicy, and savory. Top it with chopped onions, green chilies, and toasted crackers for the full effect. Here's where time becomes a constraint. Many think Bengali snacks take hours to make. But pro tip, prep the basics like boiled potatoes or soaked peas ahead of time. You'll cut your cooking window in half. For sweet lovers, Pantua, a cousin of gulab jamun, is a must. These fried milk dumplings are soaked in sugar syrup but manage to feel lighter than they look. Ideal for tea time without being overly saccharine. A crowd pleaser is always Beguni. Thin slices of eggplant are dipped in a spiced besan chickpea flour batter and fried. Even if you're not an eggplant fan, this one will convert you. Trust me on this. Crispy edges win every time. If you want to venture beyond fried options, try Dimer Devil. It's essentially a boiled egg wrapped in spiced minced meat and deep-fried, giving you protein overload with a crispy exterior. It's filling and versatile for any occasion. Here's my biggest tip. Always pair Bengali Nasta with the right chutney. Tamarind for sweet, mustard for pungent, or even a tomato kasundi mix for spicy. Just a little on the side makes every bite so much better. Last but not least, Bengali food is best shared. Make a few of these for friends or family and watch their faces light up. Food isn't just about taste, it's about connection. And these recipes, they'll start conversations every time.